allow your colleagues at school to store energy.
Okushongoroko kwa kore okwiza barimwe
has a lot of confidence in you, the leaders. Don't disappoint them.
Orientation yitwa ntuhereza abana na munonga nkabebembezi neyamba munonga ako bibere ebyeri igenda umwana noshanga bamuto mu kintu cyatakumanya just following akango bamugambara takumanya ikiresere niki umwe nangwa takumana iki kumanyisa nabahereze example ke yakenya tubentoreba eminyeto kweri yakose ibintu eri kubishisha ngo ako bakapasinga iba kweta financial bill konko kibano barori bayibana ababoka bamane cyerumu ikibahandi cyo tubakukimanya konka ahabwa ababanta bo kwenda okweyendeza personal interest barabumbantu nkabo babahabya so twantugambara abana nimbagambara ntanabyumba basa kubishanga
ebinekora omukushongoroko nibyo byaba biri bikuru akugambwaho
ngama bemezi banyese ebitukora byona ntumantu bikora tamwana gitu yona mamanda garhanga mukama twasize tuzagumiza abana abantu baretera bayega okubara base kwebembera ihanga okubara base kwebembera ishomero ryitu nangwa no bwebembezo buhanga obukorwa mu maka because mbara school single boys school ntumango twatwina abashija barungi ntuza kugira amakamarungi eco ceretera ihanga ry'inyensya ryabasa kushemera
nabwo ico ninyengera kuba hamsters abazine tumwana wa mureta mbara high school ekintu kiza kuba kiterire kandi uri very important and important leader
twazumurika mwenje okwabayo bashabwa okongera kurinda ebyo bahangwa ebe n'ebindi bigamberwe w'aba Lions Club babere bayibembire mu murumo gwo kwetoranamo abebembezi abasya twaganiraho na President Omusya otorinwe Leonard Mugume ojirambijere bya more Harriet.
We plan to maintain and safeguard our signature project by ensuring that trees are always in a good condition that enables them to grow well.
I admired when Madam was emphasizing the anti-fast team to ensure that the systems are prepared, everybody. We don't need to see this only at the Lions Club.
Shows environment and hunger. So it means that in whatever we do, those should be priority.
Thank you for this great support.
To the den, and that is a great achievement. I'm grateful to our mother club, Iwada Centennial, for the continued support and orientation on LCI culture and even teamwork.
Awa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon Omuremurambara na Anthony Twine Omurka Mwenje.